Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the engine oil of Royal Enfield Himalayan. So what we have here is Motul 15W50 semi-synthetic engine oil, 1 liter and 1 liter, total 2 liter. 1.8 liter will go into the engine, 22 mm spanner, 8 mm spanner, a toolbox, oil filter. Part number is 574297D. Right now I am in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. I have been traveling for the last 8 days now. Till now I have already ride 4000 kilometers from my hometown. So since the bike has traveled so much, now it's time to change the engine oil. First warm up the engine so that the oil inside the engine gets a little bit thinner and flows out easily. Use this 22 mm spanner to open the bolt. ये इंजन ऑयल को एक कंटेनर में निकालना था, बट यहाँ मैं जो होम स्टे में हूँ वहाँ पे मिला नहीं, और मैंने भी ट्रिप में ऐसा कुछ कैरी नहीं किया था. दिस इज़ द बोल्ट. नाउ वी यूज़ द 8 mm स्पैनर टू ओपन दिस बोल्ट्स. इंजन ऑयल निकालने के टाइम एक पैन में या कोई कंटेनर में निकालना चाहिए हमेशा. मैं एकदम साइड में कर रहा हूँ जहाँ ये इंजन ऑयल नीचे गिरने से शायद कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा किसी को. एक प्लास्टिक बोतल से भी काम हो जाता, बट यहाँ प्लास्टिक बोतल यूज़ नहीं करता कोई, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है. This is some kind of filter. I don't know what it is called. There is nothing on it. Now come to this side. We have to open these 3 bolts with an 8 mm spanner. This is the oil filter cap and the gasket. This is the old oil filter. Pull the bike a little just to get the remaining oil out. You need to be very careful while doing this. It's a heavy motorcycle. The engine oil is almost out now. Clean these things with chain cleaner. You can also clean with WD-40. Spray some chain cleaner. Clean it up with a cloth. Now clean up the oil drain bolt and the copper washer. Make sure this cap is clean. Now clean inside the small chamber. Now I'll put back this filter. It goes like this. Tighten it up with the spanner. Do not over tight the bolts. Now put the washer on and tighten it up. Now clean the oil filter gasket and the cap. This is the new oil filter. First you need to lubricate the oil filter. Put some oil onto the oil filter, it will start soaking in. Make sure it is clean. Put the oil filter here. Now you need to tighten these 3 bolts here. You need to tighten 3 of them equally. Now I'll pour the engine oil. This is the first bottle. Now this is the second bottle. मैंने ऑलरेडी इससे थोड़ा ऑयल फिल्टर में डाला है, 30 to 40 ml में भी. I'll use 700 to 800 ml from this bottle. Now crank the engine. The oil will circulate. Leave it for a minute. Let the oil go through all of the engine parts. After that you will get the correct oil level. Now wait for a minute and after that check the oil level. There are 2 lines you can see. The oil should reach the upper level. Now let's check how it is performing. Thank you for watching this video. If I was able to give you what you are looking for, then go ahead and smash the like button and don't forget to share and comment. Thank you so much.